For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars and pondered the ultimate question. Are we alone in the universe? The vastness of space, with its billions of galaxies and uncountable stars, seems to suggest otherwise. Yet, despite our relentless search, the universe remains silent. Could this eerie quietness mean we're the only intelligent beings in existence? Or does the answer lie in our inability to detect them? Or worse, in their deliberate choice to remain hidden? The enigma has a name: the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" It's a puzzle that strikes at the heart of our understanding of the cosmos. If life is so probable, and if civilizations have the potential to grow and expand, why haven't we seen any evidence of their existence? As we delve deeper into this mystery, a revolutionary theory from the National Astronomical Observatory of China offers a tantalizing possibility. Could it be that advanced civilizations are not only out there, but are operating on such a level of sophistication that they leave behind faint, almost undetectable traces? For decades, scientists have been scouring the heavens for signs of extraterrestrial life. Efforts like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have focused on detecting radio signals, artificial transmissions that might reveal the presence of advanced civilizations. Yet the results have been frustratingly inconclusive. Recently, researchers at the National Astronomical Observatory of China undertook a bold project. Using cutting-edge technology, they scanned vast portions of the sky, not for radio signals alone, but for something even more elusive: unusual infrared emissions. Infrared light is a signature of heat, and it can tell us a lot about the energy usage of celestial objects. What they found was astonishing: 21 galaxies with peculiar characteristics, 2 of which stood out due to inexplicable spikes in their infrared emissions. These emissions, scientists believe, may point to the presence of artificial structures, possibly Dyson spheres. A Dyson sphere is an extraordinary concept first proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. It's a hypothetical megastructure built by an advanced civilization to capture the energy output of its star. Such a structure would signify a civilization capable of harnessing energy on a scale that far surpasses anything humanity has ever achieved. Think about it. Our energy needs are met by burning fossil fuels, harnessing wind, and capturing solar power. Even if we gathered all the sunlight that hits Earth, it would pale compared to the energy output of the sun itself. A Dyson sphere would represent the ultimate solution, a technological marvel capable of enclosing a star and using its entire energy output. If these galaxies' infrared emissions are indeed evidence of Dyson spheres, it would mean that we have stumbled upon civilizations operating at a Type 2 level on the Kardashev scale, a framework used to classify civilizations based on their energy usage. The Kardashev scale provides a fascinating way to think about the progression of civilizations. Type 1 civilization, capable of harnessing all the energy available on its home planet. Humanity is not yet at this level. We are at roughly 0.73 on the scale. Type 2 civilization, able to harness the energy of its entire star, perhaps through structures like Dyson spheres. Type 3 civilization, masters of galactic energy, capable of controlling resources on a galactic scale. But the scale doesn't stop there. Theoretical extensions include Type 4 civilization, commanding energy on a universal scale, tapping into the energy of entire galaxies. Type 5 civilization, masters of the multiverse, capable of manipulating dimensions and creating new universes. Type 6 and 7 civilizations, theoretical constructs that transcend physical reality, becoming akin to the creators of the universe itself. The infrared emissions detected by Chinese researchers suggest we may be observing a Type 2 civilization, or at least its remnants. But what if there's more to the story? The idea of advanced civilizations intentionally hiding their presence is both fascinating and unsettling. What could drive such secrecy? The answers could lie in their motivations or perhaps in their perception of us. Some theorists suggest that civilizations advanced enough to construct Dyson spheres would also have the capability to mask their energy signatures. They might deliberately avoid detection to protect themselves from potential threats, following a cosmic prime directive of non-interference with less advanced societies. Others propose that we're simply not looking in the right way. Most of our efforts focus on finding energy signatures or radio transmissions, technologies that might be outdated for civilizations millions or billions of years ahead of us. If they communicate or travel using means we cannot yet comprehend, we might never detect them. There's also the chilling possibility that they've observed us and decided we're not worth contacting. Could our destructive tendencies, wars, and environmental neglect paint a grim picture of humanity, discouraging interaction? One theory that often arises in discussions about extraterrestrial life is the Great Filter. It suggests that at some stage of development, most civilizations encounter a barrier, an insurmountable challenge that prevents them from advancing further. The filter could occur early, making the emergence of life itself extraordinarily rare. Alternatively, it could come later, as civilizations develop technologies that lead to their own destruction, such as nuclear weapons or ecological collapse. If the filter is behind us, humanity might be one of the few species to pass through it. But if it lies ahead, our future could be precarious. There's another intriguing angle. The universe is dotted with massive voids, regions with few or no galaxies. One of the largest is the Booter's Void, a space so vast and empty that it defies conventional explanations. Some have speculated that such voids might be the work of advanced civilizations, either as a result of their activities or as areas deliberately cleared of detectable matter. Could these voids be the hiding places of Type 3 civilizations, galactic empires that have found ways to obscure themselves entirely? Or are they the byproducts of cosmic-scale engineering projects? Another possibility is that intelligent life was far more abundant in the past. Computer simulations suggest that the conditions for advanced civilizations might have peaked billions of years ago. If life flourished and then faded, we might be living in a universe where most intelligent civilizations have already come and gone. Alternatively, we could be among the first. As daunting as it sounds, humanity might be in the early stages of cosmic evolution. In this scenario, the silence of the stars isn't a sign of absence, but a reflection of our unique position as pioneers in an untapped frontier. Our quest to answer these questions has never been more promising. Advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, are now capable of detecting exoplanets with conditions suitable for life. By analyzing the atmospheres of these worlds, scientists can search for biosignatures, chemical markers indicating the presence of life, or technosignatures, evidence of advanced technology. NASA estimates that there are 300 million potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. Yet, we've only just begun to explore them. Could one of these distant worlds hold the key to the Fermi paradox? What if the answer to the mystery of advanced civilizations lies not in the stars, but in ourselves? As humanity advances, we may come to understand the limitations and challenges faced by other civilizations. Perhaps the silence of the cosmos reflects a universal truth. The most advanced civilizations eventually transcend physical reality, leaving behind a universe of stillness. In our search for others, we are also searching for our future. Whether we are alone or part of a vast cosmic tapestry, the journey itself is a profound exploration of what it means to exist. So, where are they? Perhaps they're out there, watching, waiting, or perhaps they're already within us as echoes of what we might one day become.